So what do you guys think? How do you think the wig turned out? I'm putting up this video until I got the wig together, and I think it came out real good. Hey loves, in today's video I will be finished customizing this wig. I am done frying my edges for the year, so if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. Remember when I told you that on wigs they don't have, on their bottom tab, that tab doesn't have hair? Well, I actually start the hair from down here, so this just helps gain 2 to 3 more inches versus where hair starts at. On a wig, it will probably start about right there because of the tab. So that's like an inch and a half that you get more of. Not that thick of a piece, but yeah, this is a 28-inch wig. This will give it 30 inches just by just starting the hair at the lowest point on the wig. So and that's what I'm doing here. And for some reason, when you get wigs, unless somebody custom make that wig, when you buy stock wigs, which is wigs bought online, shipped from China, it's just, they're not giving you inches. They're not putting them wigs together so that you can be like super happy. It's so that they can make money. Quick dollars. I'm going to extend this hair. But if you say you want long hair and you do not care, you're talking my language. We're speaking each other's language.
Is it impossible to get at least one full night's sleep without you all up in my dreams? Without you hijacking all my energy.
She is done, and she is a thick girl. So this is her in all her glory. As you can see, she's super long. And she's really thin. It's just her. She's like, it's a lot of hair. Once I didn't use all the hair, I still have this hair left. It will not be going in there because when I tell you, this is so thin. Where I got the hair from, let me know in the comments and I'll link it. I'll look for it and link it. But yeah, I'm done. Next is just coloring her, and I think I'm gonna do like a blue black. I don't think black is gonna be enough for me. I mean, this hair is already black from me wearing it, so I don't think I need to do blue black. Mother would already said it looks blue, but I think I'm gonna do a little blue black because that's gonna look so good at night. And then I have to rinse not rinse, but color the front. The closure is like a 20-inch, so it's really long in the front. I had put some hairspray in it so I can like get it out of my way right here. So I gotta go in and color this. I hope it colors with the hairspray in it because I don't want to wash it first. I just want to color it and then give it like a deep conditioning. I think I already bleached the knots on this. I've had to because it just looks really natural at the root, and so that'll save me something. So all I need to do now is just color her. She look crazy, right? She look crazy. Yeah, color her blue black maybe, and figure out how I'm gonna style it. Whether am I gonna wear it straight or just with that nice beachy wave. Boom. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. The next video, I'll be styling it. Maybe I'll put a clip in there so y'all can see how she turned out overall. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you. I'm so done. So y'all get the concept. I'm just easing it through. As long as it's not on the roots. That's what we care about. And I'm closer to the tracks on this side. I'm gonna let her lean a little bit. Can y'all see that? But she just leaned on her own child. But she black over here too. Try to run through that a little bit more blacker. Right there. Make that a little bit black. She just giving round her perimeter, and I'm just gonna put a little bit there.